Experience the pinnacle of luxury and exclusivity with the Bentley Batur Convertible by Mulliner. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Batur Convertible is a limited edition masterpiece, with only 16 units set to be produced. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin tailored to perfection, offering unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Equipped with a hand-assembled twin-turbo 6.0-liter W12 engine, delivering a staggering 740 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque. Each Batur convertible is a true work of art, reflecting Bentley's legacy of craftsmanship and excellence. Starting at over £2 million, $2.5 million, experience luxury redefined with the Bentley Batur Convertible by Mulliner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive content from Bentley Mulliner.